Good afternoon to my teachers, expertise, and my colleagues. Today I am going to present my dissertation on the topic anti-ulcer activity of Mutingia calibra fruit against experimentally induced gastric ulcer in rats, which was under the guidance of Jyoti Y. Let's start from the introduction. The most common ulcer present in gastrointestinal tract is peptic ulcer, usually because of hyperacidity and less production of cytoprotective mucus, which causes erosion in mucosa equal to or greater than 0.5 centimeter. Recently, lots of chemicals or allopathic drugs are available in market for the treatment of gastric ulcer, such as proton pump inhibitor, H2 blockers, antacids, etc. Because of several side effects of synthetic medicine, nowadays many researchers are going on to discover natural alternatives for the treatment of peptic ulcer. Mutingia calibra is the plant which we took for the research, which belongs to Ilocarpaceae family found easily in roadside. The flower is white in color, whereas ripened fruit is red in color and unripe fruit is green. This plant is well known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-platelet properties. Based on the literature survey, the chemicals which are responsible for the treatment of gastric ulcer are flavonoids, tannins, and phenolic compounds. Materials and methods used for our research is the chemical constituent for the plant was extracted by use of methanol, and for our this study we need some gastric ulcer induced rat. So gastric ulcer was induced in rat by three methods, that is pylorus ligation, methylene blue induced, and cold water immersion stress induced gastric ulcer. The results from our research is oral administration of methanolic extract, that is 300 milligram per kg, showed significant reduction of gastric ulcer when induced by cold immersion induced and methylene blue in rat compared to pylorus ligation. The effects of Mutingia calibra fruit extract was compared to standard drug, that is pantoprazole, in the dose of 20 milligram per kg. When comparing ulcer score in all these three ulcer models, it was found that 200 milligram per kg methanolic extract of Mutingia calibra fruit was more effective in cold water immersion model compared to methylene blue and pylorus ligation model. Discussion. The main aim of anti-ulcer drug is to reduce acid secretion as well as to increase the mucus secretion in stomach. So the results from our study showed that high dose, that is 300 milligram per kg of Mutingia calibra fruit extract, reduces the acid secretion as well as increase protein level, resulting gastric cytoprotection in a rat. So we conclude that from the finding of our study, it suggested that Mutingia calibra fruit exerts its gastroprotective activities via several mechanisms of action, and it causes an inhibitory effect on release of gastric hydrochloric acid and protect gastric mucosal damage, and these observations activities may be attributed to phytochemicals present in them. And these are the references which we used or which we followed for our research studies. Thank you for granting me an opportunity to present this thesis. Thank you.